At the feet of the Translator Marpa, I prostrate myself, and sing to you, my faithful patrons. How stupid it is to sin with recklessness, while the pure Dharma spreads all about you. How foolish to spend your lifetime without meaning, when a precious human body is so rare a gift. How ridiculous to cling to prison-like cities and remain there. How laughable to fight and quarrel with your wives and relatives, who do but visit you. How senseless to cherish sweet and tender words, which are but empty echoes in a dream. How silly to disregard one's life by fighting foes, who are but frail flowers. How foolish it is when dying, to torment oneself with thoughts of family, which bind one to Maya's mansion. How stupid to stint on property and money, which are a debt on loan from others. How ridiculous it is to beautify and deck the body, which is a vessel full of filth. How silly to strain each nerve for wealth and goods, and neglect the nectar of the inner teachings. In a crowd of fools, the clear and sensible should practice the Dharma, as do I. Thank you for listening. Please do share and like if it's beneficial. We also love to hear your suggestions related to Buddhism. Comment below or send us message on tbtbuddhism@gmail.com.